Public speaking is another great marketing strategy. This is an effective way to get your message across. You can either sponsor one yourself or associate with another professional who's trying to increase his or her own exposure. There are 4 types of excellent forums in which you can experience the technique of building your practice through public speaking, namely seminars, workshops, service clubs, and conferences. Let me briefly address each. First, let's discuss seminars and workshops. These seminars and workshops could be sponsored by you or someone else. The point is to use this opportunity to give value-added information about a topic and then use a few moments to promote your own business. A number of service groups funded by the government are eager for professionals willing to share their knowledge with small business owners and taxpayers. Such organizations include the Small Business Administration, the Service Corps of Retired Executives, and the Small Business Development Center, which is a great place to start. You'll also want to approach service clubs. Once the word is out that you're willing to speak on important tax topics, you'll be tripping over meeting planners looking for you to speak to their groups. Check out groups like Rotary International, Kiwanis, or Lions Club. Each is made up of business leaders that are very interested in minimizing their taxes. Although the Yellow Pages have several listed under associations, you'll find more just by asking around among your friends and neighbors. Ask them for a contact person and then send this person a letter of introduction. Offer to come and speak with the group on subjects regarding taxation. You can also perform public speaking at conferences. This may be a bit of a stretch to begin with, but eventually you may want to serve as a speaker at a professional conference. You'll quickly become recognized as an expert, and it will surely result in even more invitations to other speaking engagements. Again, the point here is to offer value-added information and then make a pitch, if permitted, for your own business. You need to know about each group's audience. Who are they? What is the group's average age and size? Are the majority male or female? What might they be interested in? Be on call and ready to go, even on short notice. Focus on whatever is appropriate that year for that particular group. You can talk about tax reduction strategies or tax legislation that is currently being discussed by Congress. Consider estate planning as a topic. That will fit almost any adult age group and can be a very interesting topic. For instance, you could speak about what happens when a taxpayer gifts a house to children and compare that to what happens when the house is inherited. This is such a simple concept to tax preparers, but comes as a shock to many older taxpayers who had to learn the hard way. You can tell stories about tax preparation, the funny things that happen, and all the good things you did to get a larger refund for the clients. With a little research, you can come up with an impressive list of these organizations which have public or private forums to which you can speak. You can also talk about small business accounting issues if you feel comfortable with that.